Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sanskruti and I study and today's our topic is real interesting. So let's begin our today's video. Today we are gonna discuss on really interesting topics. So let's begin. So guys, as we knows about the coincidence. We have talked about a lot of times. We have talked about the general knowledge and a lot of things like related to that. So today we are going to discuss on the one most important thing which is called science and one topic of science which called coincidence. Today we are going to talk about it. So let's see some examples of coincidence and why it happens and a lot of things like coincidence. So guys, the most first thing about coincidence is when we thought about why the coincidence happened. So it just not a coincidence, it is the thing which has settled in our mind. If we just seen one thing from one day, if we seen a red rose at the starting of our day, and that red rose whole day, that red rose is in our mind. So we saw the same red rose everywhere, or we said the pattern of red rose everywhere. We also sees the patterns, lot of patterns in the sky or in the clouds. As like that we can also see that the part of or the red rose in the sky. So after that, the biggest coincidence in the world, which is that about Titanic. So guys, we all of us know about what is the Titanic. So it the coincidence is that before 14 years ago, the one writer wrote the novel about the one boat called Titan. Even it is not in real, but when they just see that, when they just see that, or a lot of they just it was just an imagine. We write stories in our books, or we also the children's little children's likes to create the stories, or the lot of peoples which who likes to do show off. They can make a lot of stories, but guys, the Titan story is too much interesting. So when we talks about the Titanic and Titan, so Titan was not in real, but the before the Titanic, what happens with the Titanic, before 14 years of that situation, the one writer wrote the novel, and the name of that novel is Titan. And also the name of that ship is also Titan. As like that in Titanic, the boats are really they are in little amount. In story also it happens like that. And how the Titanic deep in the water, as like that they also wrote about the Titan in that. So it's such a big coincidence, and after that, after this coincidence, doesn't the such a big coincidence happen after that. So after this, the next option of the coincidence, which is the most important, uh, the coincidence which happens with the one couple called Rayon and the Jessica or someone. After that, where they have got married, and they just sitting on the weekends at home, and they just started watching the childhood videos of the that lady. And when they sees one thing, one disgusting thing, then they pause the video and they saw that that boy is the Rayon, and who thought that guys in future they will get married and a lot of things about. So as like this coincidence, they should be coincidence, but if you buy one car, just like if you buy the one car like even we take the Audi. So if you buy the white color Audi, so it just everywhere you can see the white color Audi. Or if you buy the BMW, so everywhere you can see the BMW, the black BMW, the blue, the silver, and everything like that. But when you doesn't have that car, you can't see that car, because of this doesn't be a coincidence, or this be a pattern of your mind, or the things which are getting in your mind. And after that, what should be the coincidence? I hope you know what should be the coincidence. The one more important or interesting coincidence, the one guy which uh, one man, the name of that man was Simon, not that Freedom Simon. So the that Simons, they are both Simons, and their birth date also same, and their death date also same, or the name of their wives are also same. So this should be the coincidence. Or if you doesn't know that your homework is not completed, and the when your teacher is not coming on school, but when your homework is completed, your teacher doesn't came to school, or she doesn't check your homework. But when your homework doesn't complete, she just check your homework. This should be the coincidence. Or also this should be the destiny power, or a lot of things about destiny. So guys, destiny, sometimes destiny is with us, but sometimes it just leave us, as like we are just the enemy of destiny, and she leaves us. So after that, when we thought about the why the patterns, as like in starting of video I just saw that, tell you the if some example of the red rose. So why will happen it? So it is the one feature in your brain. Because of that feature, it happens in your whole body. The first the first one man and one lady, which we just started to doing this. After them, they just started to making to they born some kids, and they grow them, and after that that power came into their children's, and after that it came into their children's, after that into their children's, into their children's, and after that it came into us. And because of that, and after us it came into our childs, and after that their child, and after that their child. So it never will be end. Or it should be too much dangerous also. If you saw some ghost movies, or not a ghost are really, but if you've seen it, so everywhere you can see it. So it should be the dangerous and also credible. So this was something about coincidence, and little thing about something about general knowledge also, and the science. Today's video is gonna be a lot of science. So guys, if you like today's video, hit like to today's video and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with me. Press the bell icon, and thank you guys.